All right. Hey, everybody. We're back. Stuff. We got stuff. Sorry, some of it's a little out of frame. AIO. I'll go over the parts next video or video after because there's a couple things I want to cover. I want to get back to the case because we had to change the whole build because double espresso with dinner. Stomach. Anyway, we were originally going to use a back connect motherboard, and then we changed our minds, but for a good reason. The reason being our new sponsor. We also have a couple new ones as well, but other new ones. But this is a company called AirGoo. AIRGOO. And they were kind enough to send us equipment. Now, if you've seen the thermal take towers, actually every video, there's always usually either an RGB strip, an RGB light bar, and there's always a fan hub. Because I like to keep the wires minimal to the motherboard. Anyway, AirGoo's, never do a video after dinner. AirGoo is a little different because, well, first of all, thank you again, AirGoo. We're not doing back connect because they sent us RGB strimmer for the graphics card, RGB strimmer for the power supply. Power motherboard connector. And they sent us this fan hub, and I'm really excited about all of it. Apparently, they've partnered up with Signal RGB. They say it's Signal RGB supported, so I really can't wait to use it and see what it does. So thank you to them. I also want to thank our other new sponsor, Power Girl Law, Bensalak and Girl Law. Give them a call. Any legal needs in New Jersey, they take care of it. Workman's comp, accidents, civil, whatever you need. Been in business 40 years. Mention Sneaks and Geeks if you talk to them. Also, if you need any, whether you live in an apartment, you own an apartment building, you own a senior development, you need access control, surveillance, guard service, whatever you need, Elite Surveillance NJ, ask for Andrew, mention Sneaks and Geeks, you get a little discount. 5-star rating on Google review. They are the security company in New Jersey. Period, end of story. They do great work. Now, back to here. The reason we're here. Back to this case. Because from the time of the last video till this one, I was thinking about something. Every video where you see cases, they talk about how many liters, how big is it, how many millimeters this way, how many... And that's great. It's good to know. Here's what I want to know as a builder with oversized hands. Build space. I don't know what kind of, maybe we'll rate it 1 to 10, but we are going to do build space. How much room do you have to operate to do all the things you do? It's just something I came up with, and this will be the start of it because it's a mini, as they call it, mini V2, but it's still an ATX case. You could fit a full ATX motherboard in here, which we have. So, and the modularity, like I said in the last video, which by the way, Lian Li, bravo. When you see how much comes apart on this, you'll understand what I mean by build space. The espresso's killing me. Gotta stop doing that. Anyway, sorry. We're gonna take this apart, we're gonna show you, and we're gonna show you, and maybe we'll start the rating today. How much build space do we have in this? So thanks to all our sponsors, 10% off Dubby if you're into energy drinks. They taste good. Better than... Anyway, I don't need that right now, but whew, that double espresso got me. I'm sweating. Anyway, build space, Lian Li Mini 011 V2. And we're gonna take this apart. We're gonna move all this stuff. The build's coming. We're debating now about the graphics card, whether we're gonna go normal or flip, so you can see the fans. I already bought the riser cable, so we're probably gonna. But anyway, thanks for tuning in again. We appreciate it. We're trying to build a nice little community here. Comment down below, suggestions, anything. Every 100 subs, gift card. Still trying to get rid of the bots. We will. I have more patience than they do. Anyway, if you're here for the first time, welcome to Sneaks and Geeks. Tried something a little different out there in the world with computers and sneakers. We got some cool sneakers. We had to change the sneakers too, but same sneaker, just different color scheme. That video will be shortly. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's take this apart and let's show you some modularity and build space. Maybe I should trademark it. Whatever. Anyway, we'll be back. Stay tuned. Sneaks and Geeks. Thanks, everybody. All right, we're back. So, case, lot of screws, but self screws. So, don't mind that. Well, that was easy. FYI, I've never taken this apart before, so we might have some flubs. Let's see. Oh, that was easy. That's some nice thick glass we got there. Let's put this to the side for now. Pop and lift. Remember what I talked about build space? We're getting there. Back, I believe, I don't think this, oh, again, magnet, little, we're on fire right now. Interesting. Also, real quick, the I/O can go up there. Well, I should say I/O. The front panel, pretty cool. I think we're going to switch that out. Now, as far as screws, well, let's show you the back. All right. A lot of space. You got your removable hard drive cages. Your power supply is going to go here. And it's just, I really like this. The thing that I like also, here's the screws for your fans to attach the fans. They come out. And also, let me get this out of the way. Sorry. This whole top piece comes off as well. So you have a ton . All right, we're back. We had a little power issue, AKA battery died. The back. These come out, this comes off. Real quick, this can take an ATX power supply. However, if it's over 200, I think it's over 200 millimeters, you have to pop this off. But the one we have is the GT model, which I don't think we do. So getting back to, let's pop this off again. Oh, wrong one. Whoops. Let's pop that off. You would be so kind as to come out. I don't know why you're not. There we go. So like I said, whoops. Oh, that's got to unscrew. Okay. So like I was saying before, in the world of build space, on a scale of 1 to 10, this, my friends, is a 10. 10 out of 10. Easy to work in. That pops out. We're gonna go vertical. Here's your power supply bracket, pops out. Fan cage, unscrews, pops out, unscrews. We're definitely gonna move the IO to the top. That's a few screws. And yeah, it's gonna be good. This is for $100. Spectacular. All right, stay tuned. We got more stuff coming. Be right back.